Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe. Let's get back to our lesson. Okay, listen carefully. In the previous class, we have studied about international system of numerations. Okay, now let us recall about international system of numeration. Listen carefully. In the international place value chart, we start from the right as ones places. Okay, we start from the right as ones places and then proceed to the left as tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and so on. Okay, in international place value chart, we start from the right as ones place and then proceed to the left as tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and so on. Okay. For example, consider one number. Listen children. Okay. So, how do you read this number? Using international system of numeration. Okay. So, how do you read this? First of all, separate the numbers with periods. Okay. So, to show the periods in a number, commas are used. Okay. Now you mark the period. First period, ones period. Ones period consists of three places. Ones, tens, 100. After you put one comma. Next is thousands period. So thousands period consists of again three places in the international system of numeration. Okay. So that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100,000 after you put another one comma. Next is million period. So million period consists of million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is ones period. This is thousand period. This is million period. Now you read 750 million, 258,159, 159. Okay children, reading or writing any number with periods. Okay, that is one of the rules for system of numeration. Okay, so how do you read? 750 million, 258,159. Okay, so one more example, listen carefully. Okay, now you read. First of all, you mark the periods. First period, that is a ones period. Ones period consists of three places. So three places after you put one comma. Then after thousands period. So thousands period after consists of three places. Okay, so that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000 after you put another one comma. This is ones period, thousands period, million period. So your number is 258 million, 500,000, 109. 258 million, 500,000, 109. Okay children, do you understand? Yes? Okay. Now let the continuation of the previous class. Okay, that is in exercise 1.2 in fourth question. Okay children, in exercise 1.2 fourth question, see the question, listen carefully. Make a place value chart of the international system of numeration. Okay, make a place value chart of the international system of numeration and write the numerals for the following number names in it. Number name is given. So you make a place value chart using international system of numeration. Okay, so you make a place value chart. Sorry. First column is periods, okay? Next one is place value. So million periods. Okay, now you come to right side. Okay, as ones period. Ones period consists of three places, that is ones, tens. Okay, tens and hundreds. Okay, I written the short form, ones, tens, hundred. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of three places, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, children. Next is millions period. That is consists of million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So this is the international place value chart. Okay. Now you fill the number. Make a place value chart of the international system of numeration and write the numerals for the following numbers name in it. Here is given the number name. So first of all, you write in numerals. Yes or no? Numbers. Okay, that is numerals. Okay, children. So place value chart is there. Now we fill the numbers. Okay. So first one is, you see the question, 563 million. 563 million. So million period. Which number is there? 563. 563. Okay. So 163 is million, 1 million. 60, that's a 10 million. 500, that's a 100 million. Okay. So that's why 563. Then 5 place is in 100 million place, 6 is in 10 million place, 3 is in million place. Okay. So this is millions period. 563 million 950,000. 950,000. Okay. This is the 1,000 period. So 900. 100,000 have 950. 50. Okay. So 950,000. 300. Ones period, how much is there? 300. Here is tens place and ones place is not there. Okay. So that's our answer is only 300. So ones period have 300. Okay, children. This is ones period. Okay. So your number is 300. So listen carefully. 500. Your question is 563 million 950,300. Okay. So your number is 563 million 950,300. So you write the number here. Okay. 560 million 950,300. Okay. Now you mark the periods. Okay, children. Are you clear? Do you understand? Okay. Nothing is there. Okay. So nothing. ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. என்ன இருக்கு? நம்பர் நேம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போறோம்? Make a place value chart. Place value chartல numbers போட போறோம். அவ்வளவுதான். Okay. First you write in numerals. Okay. Then after you draw the place value chart. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Now you all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Write today's day and date. Okay. Then in exercise 1.2, fourth question. Write it. In exercise 1.2, fourth question. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. And start your writing. Okay. Continue. In exercise 1.2, fourth question. Don't leave any page. Continue your writing. Fourth question. Make a place value chart of the international system of numeration and write the numerals for the following number names in it. The first question, A part. 563 million 950,300. Okay. Now you make a place value chart. Draw a place value chart. Okay. Do not draw the line using your hand, children. Use the scale, okay, when drawing the line. Do you understand? Do not draw the line using your hand. Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay, children? So do it. Make a place value chart and fill the numbers. Okay? Do it fast and write neatly. Do it fast. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Now, the second one. B part, okay, same question. In fourth question, B part only same, make a place value chart only, okay. So, the question is 99 million. $99 million. Only one period only given. Okay. 99 million. So say the answer. First of all, make a place value chart. Okay. So draw the place value chart table. First is periods. Okay. Second is place value. First period, that is ones period, okay? Ones period. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, children? Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of 3 places, that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. So next is which period? Million periods. So million period consists of 3 places, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so this is the place value chart. Okay, now you say the answer. It is the place value chart, international place value chart. Okay, international place value chart. This is first period is ones period. Ones period consists of ones, tens, 100. Thousands period consists of 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period consists of million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. Now you see the question 99 million. Okay. 99 million. Only 99 million. Here 100 also not there. 100 million also not there. 99. Okay. So that's why 10. How many tens are there? 9 tens and 1 million is 9 million. Okay. So that's why 10 million have which number? 9. 99 million. So your million period consists of only 99. Okay children, you see the question 99 million. Here is 100 million is not there. Okay, so your question 99 million, then after nothing is there. So then you put all the places have you put 0 0 0. Okay, so thousands period is not there, so you put 30. 1000 period consists of 3 places. That's why you put 3 places in 0. Okay. Next is ones period. Ones period also 3 places. So that places you put in 0. Okay. So your answer is 99 million. Okay children. Understand? Okay. So ones period is 0 and thousands period is 0. Now the million period only 99. So that's why your answer is 99 million. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. Now you write. Continue your writing. Okay. In fourth question, B part. In fourth question, B part. 99 million. Your question is 99 million. So you draw the place value chart table. After you fill with numbers. Okay. Millions, thousands period and ones period. 3 periods. Do not draw the line using your hand. Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay. Do it fast. Next question. You see the question? C part, same type of question, okay? 6,006,006. Make a place value chart of the International System of Numeration, okay? 6,006,006. Listen children, don't write. C question, okay, C part, 6,006,006. Here you see that 100 million is not there, 10 million is not there, only 1 million, that is 6 million, okay. So 1 million place you put 6. 6 million, 6,000. Thousands place, thousands period. This is a million period. This is the thousand period. This is the ones period. Okay. So in one, that is a million period. Which number? 6. So only 1 million place only given. That is 6. Here also in thousands period, only 1,000 period, 1,000 place only given. That is 6. Okay. So 1,000, only 1,000 place. That is 6. The remaining places 100,000 and 10,000 is not there. So you put 0 and 0. Okay children. 100,000 is 0. 10,000 is 0. Then 1,000 place is 6. Now ones period 6. 100 is not there. 10 is not there. So you put that place. You put 0 0. Ones is 6. So your number is 6,006,000 and 6. Okay. 6,006,006. 6,006,006. Okay, clear? Yes. Write it in your classwork note. So do carefully. நம்மளுக்கு நம்பர் நேம்ல இருந்து தான் நியூமரல்ஸ் எழுதுறோம், நம்பர் போடுறோம், சரியா? ஸோ போடும்போது கேர்ஃபுல்லாக போடணும். எந்த பிளேஸ் நம்மளுக்கு தரலையோ அதை என்ன செய்யணும், அதில் 0 போடணும். Okay children, so do carefully, okay? 6,006,006. Write fast. Do not draw the line using your hand. Use scale when drawing the line, okay? Understand? Have you finished? Okay, I hope you have written. Okay, now you come to D part. I given more examples children. Okay, for what? Yes, practice all the sums in your home. Okay. D question, 900,000. Put the place value chart. First period is ones period, okay? So ones period consists of 1, tens and hundred. Okay. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of three places: 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next is millions period. So millions period consists of three places: million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Now you come to the question. 900,000. 900,000. Here million period is not there. Yes? Only 1000 period. That is 900. Okay? So millions period not there. So you leave these periods. Okay? Next you come thousands. So what is given? 900,000. So 100,000 is given. Which number? 9. 900. Okay. So your answer is 900. So 900 means 10,000 is? Sorry. 0. Okay. 10,000 is 0 and 1,000 is 0. So your answer is 900,000. Once not given, but once is there. What? 1,000. All the places have you put 0, 0, 0. Okay, children? So your answer is 900,000. Okay, 900,000. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So your answer is 900,000. Millions period not there. So only your answer is 900,000. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. எப்போவுமே பின்னாடி நம்மளுக்கு இந்த சைடு நம்ம ஜீரோ போட்டோம்னா நம்மளுக்கு அதுக்கு வேல்யூ இல்லை அப்படிதானா? ஆனால் இதில் போடும்போது நம்மளுக்கு அது வேல்யூ. ஸோ மில்லியன்ஸ் பீரியட் நம்மளுக்கு ஜீரோ போட வேண்டாம். ஓகே, டு யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? எஸ். நவ் யூ ரைட் இட் 900,000. யூ மேக் ஏ பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சார்ட். டு இட். ரைட் இட் இன் யுவர் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட். ரைட் ஃபாஸ்ட். The next question, 400 million, 400 million, 400,000, 400, 400 million, 400,000, 400. Okay, draw the place value chart. First period, ones period. So ones period consists of ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. Next is thousands period. So thousands period consists of three places, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. Next is millions period. So millions period consists of million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, children? Wait. Million, 10 million, so 100 million. Okay, first column is periods, second one is place value. Okay, now listen, your question is 400 million, 400,000, 400. Okay, so your million periods have which number? 400. 400 million. 100 million is given. Okay, that is 4. So 400 million. Okay, 400 millions. 400,000. So thousands period have 400. So 400,000. 400 million, 400,000, 400. Your own's period how much? 400. So your answer is 400 million, 400,000, 400. Okay, children? So 400 million, 400,000, 400 is your answer. Okay? Clear? Yes. Write it in your classwork note. Continue. Write neatly, children. Again and again I am saying, do not draw the line using your hand, okay? Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay? Do it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Write with good handwriting, children. Okay. Have you finished? Okay. I hope you have written. Now, the next question. Your question is, F, okay? $25,396,000 $396,000 561. Okay, 561. This is the solution. Okay. Now, make a place value chart of the International System of Numeration and write the numerals. Okay. Number name is given. Your number name is 25,396,561. Listen, children. Don't write your F. Your question number F. 25,396,561. So 25 million. In million period, how much is there? 25. Okay, millions. Then ones period consists of 3 places. That is ones, tens, 100. Thousands period consists of 3 places. That is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next, millions period consists of again 3 places. That is million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. Now your millions period, how much is there? 25. Okay. Here is 100 million is not there. So only 10 million and million is given. Okay. So that is 25. 25 million. Okay. 25 million. 396,000. 300. Your thousands period. Okay. 396. 396. So 25,396,000. Next 561. So your ones period. Okay. So that is 561. 561. 561. So your number is 25,396,561. Okay, children? 25,396,561. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now you write it. E after you write F, okay? Question number F. Your question is 25,396,561. You draw the international place value chart. The periods, ones period consists of ones, tens, 100, and thousands period consists of 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. Millions period consists of million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay. So now you put the value. In your question, 25 million. So you write in millions period 25. Okay. Then after 396,000. So in your thousands period, you write 396. So 396,000. In ones period, 561. Okay, so that's why your answer is 25,396,561. Okay, children, have you finished? Okay, now you take your book, homework sums. Okay, page number 11. Homework, page number 11. Okay. In question number 4, page number 11, question number 4. Question number 4. The question is B, C, E, F. Okay. All of you take your book, page number 11. You mark the homework questions. Page number 11. You mark the homework question, page number 11. In fourth question, exercise 1.2, question number 4. You mark the question. In question number 4, B, C, E, F. Okay, you make a place value chart using international place value system. Okay, children? Okay, so these homeworks do in note, homework note only. Okay, do in homework note. Clear? Yes. So now we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.